Welcome to this active meditation for your drive home from work. In this meditation, you are choosing to make better use of what would ordinarily be your draining commute home from work, and instead make it a playful time for you to practice some mindfulness techniques, which are going to help you leave your work behind to stay at the office and transition into your time after work with more ease. I'd like to remind you that driving in itself is a mindfulness practice, so make sure to pay careful attention to your fellow drivers, bikers, pedestrians, and all of your surroundings. This is an active driving meditation, so obviously, please keep your eyes open. Aim to be the most mindful driver on the road right now. Remember to stay safe, alert, calm, present, and mindful of your breath. Before you start your drive, I'd like to invite you to take a different route home from work today. A Harvard research study says that an easy way you can rev up brain function is by just changing up your driving route. So maybe take a few different streets home, or instead choose the scenic route. Now let's prepare for our drive by sitting up nice and tall. You should feel a balance in your body of being alert and relaxed at the same time. Once you're all set up in your driving posture, take a deep breath in and out, and start your car. Feel free to call in something you're grateful for to just set a tone of gratitude as you begin your mindful drive home from work. Keeping your eyes on the road. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel your body in this upright driving posture. Breathe in, breathe out. Notice your shoulders. Soften them by making some shoulder rolls. Bring the shoulders up, back, and down away from your ears, about 4 to 5 times. Up, back, and down away from the ears. Breathe in, breathe out. Now soften your jaw and all the muscles around your mouth by doing some tongue circles. Seal your lips, and with your mouth closed, begin to roll your tongue over the outside of your teeth 3 to 4 times, going one way and then the other. This helps to release jaw tension. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your awareness to both of your hands on the steering wheel. Notice your grip. Are you holding a death grip? If so, release your grip a little. It should feel relaxed, yet firm enough to control the wheel. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, briefly reflect on what happened at work today with a quick, fun reflection game called Roses and Thorns. Choose your rose and thorn from your workday. Your rose is the good thing that came out or happened today. Your thorn is that challenging or more difficult part of your day. Take a few beats, a few breaths to identify your rose and your thorn from your workday. Breathe in. Breathe out. Reflect further on your day. Is there something that happened today at work that's still bothering you or causing you stress? Did something happen that you just can't get your mind off of? If so, take these next 21 seconds to let your mind go to wherever it wants regarding this issue. Bring your attention to it. Sometimes it's even helpful to say what's on your mind out loud. Breathe in, breathe out. Did you have to hold back today at work? Do you regret something you might have said, or wish you would have said something instead of biting your tongue? Maybe it was when you were dealing with that rude customer, or having to ignore that annoying request or comment that your coworker or boss said today. Well, now's your time. Say what you wish you would have said or what you didn't say at all. Take these 21 seconds to let it all out. And don't worry, no one's listening. Breathe in, breathe out. And my favorite end of the day reflection question to ask is, did anything funny happen at work today? Take 21 seconds now to smile and laugh at any awkward, funny situations or anything that remotely reminds you of an episode of The Office that happened today at work. And if nothing comes to mind, I encourage you to start noticing and appreciating those funny or ironic moments that happen during your workday. Breathe in, breathe out. Please check back in with your posture and how you're driving. If you were an Uber driver, would you be getting that 5-star rating? Now, with that insight and ownership you established by reflecting over your workday, you're in a better position to let it all go. And let's do that with our breath. Join me in taking 3 releasing breaths, where we inhale through the nose and take a long, sighing exhale out the mouth that sounds like this. On the exhale, release the breath, the sigh, until there's absolutely no more air to let go of. Let's begin. Slowly breathe in through your nose. Breathe out the mouth with a long sigh. Let go of whatever happened during your workday. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out with a sigh, letting go of whatever is still on your mind from your workday. Breathe in. Sigh the air out your mouth. Release anything at work that still needs to get done. Let it all go with confidence and assurance that by taking this downtime for yourself to relax and give your body and mind some time to restore, you'll be more present and productive when you get back to it tomorrow. Slow down your breath by breathing in and out of your nose. Riding that wave-like movement of your breath in your body. As you inhale, feel the expansion. As you exhale, feel the softening in your body and mind. On your next 4 to 5 breaths, notice the 4 parts of the breath. The inhale, the pause at the top of the inhale, the exhale, and the pause at the bottom of the exhale. Take deeper breaths. Drop your breath down into the base of your spine, into that lower back and belly area. We're going to start some lower ab work. Make sure to keep your eyes on the road. On your next exhale, press your lower back into the back of your seat and hold for 5 to 7 seconds. Then inhale to relax. Exhale, press your lower back into the chair. Hold 5 to 7 seconds. Inhale, relax. Repeat this exercise for another 30 seconds on your own. Please take your last round. Triple check your driving posture. Your shoulders, neck, jaw, the grip of your hands. Remain connected to your breath as you're driving, and take smooth breaths in and out. Notice all of your surroundings. What's the weather like today? How would you describe the energy and conditions of the road you're on right now? What's the texture of the road you're on? Is it bumpy, old, new and smooth? Do you see pedestrians or any animals around? What are all the colors you can see? Is there a particular color that is standing out more than others? Notice the sounds you can hear. Maybe you can even smell something from outside. Are there plants and trees around you? If so, take some time to breathe and appreciate those plants and trees that are creating beautiful scenery for you on your way home. If you're in the city, in bumper-to-bumper traffic, maybe just notice the architecture and all the shapes around you. How many lanes are on the freeway right now? And what types of people you're sharing the road with. Take the next 40 seconds to notice anything and everything that is calling your attention. Breathe in, breathe out. Make a big smile and thank yourself for taking this time to consciously release your workday and transition fully into your downtime. For the remainder of your drive, if you did choose to take a different route home from work today, notice everything that's new. Even notice how changing up the route, even if you just took one different block home, notice how it made you feel and how it affected the rest of your day. If you didn't change up your route, look for something new on your way home that you've never noticed before. Also, maybe you'll notice a coincidence, something you talked about earlier appearing on your drive home. Continue the rest of your drive, taking smooth breaths, appreciating your surroundings, remaining calm and safe. Enjoy your downtime to the fullest. Relax and rest. This is Dorothy from 365 Days of Meditation on YouTube. Until next time, wishing you well.